Hello fellow coders, Krishna Sharma here and welcome back to Kredict. In our continuing HTML form series, today we are diving into part 2 Advanced Technique. Buckle up as we explore some exciting forms, elements and techniques that we will elevate your web development skill. Let's get started. So first is checkbox, groups and radio buttons. Let's begin with a powerful duo checkbox, group and radio buttons. Checkbox groups allow us user to select multiple options while radio buttons limit them to single choice, perfect for when you need user to make decision. So first is example for checkbox. So we have this field set, just copy this and paste in the HTML. So first we are taking the example of checkbox. We have a field set. In the field set we are going to name legend in interest. So legend is just make the box in the boundary of form, and label, you know what is label. Label and input is checkbox interest. Just show you in the go live section. So this is our, so you can just choose multiple options here, coding, design and writing. So this part is interest, this is a legend option. So our next part is radio buttons. Let's take this. In the radio button you can just choose any one. So if I choose writer, I cannot use designer. If I choose developer, you can not use designer. Like you can only choose one, and in this you can choose multiple options. So I hope you understand checkbox and radio buttons. Let's move to next topic, which is drop down menus with option groups. So just taking our user interface much a notch, let's explore drop down menus with option groups. Option group provide a way to categorize options within a drop down, making it more organized, user friendly. So we have this, just copy this and paste in the HTML. So in this there is a label name as select your skills, and select, in the select we have the id skills and name is skill. So option groups are programming, and here are the options for them: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And second one is design, Photoshop and Illustrator. Let's get, so we have this drop down. In this we have programming, HTML, CSS and design, Photoshop. So you can see this is a drop down. So let's move to file input for uploading. So sometimes we need a user to upload a file. The file input comes to the rescue. It allows user to select and file directly through your forms. Let's see how it done. So first just take this and copy it, paste it in the HTML. You can see this. Now you can choose the files. So if I just click choose file, and this will come to the my recent or documents. So if I choose this, choose any file, like if I choose this file is selected here. I hope you understand. Let's move to next. So next is data list for autocomplete. Enhance user experience with the data list element for autocomplete. It provides a predefined list of options as users type, making it quicker and error resistant. Just take this and paste in the index.html. So here we have one label, choose your browser, and input we have the browser list with data list like options Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Just take this and we can just select anyone. Like we have many options here. Chrome, you can understand the drop down list. So Now we are going to creating an advanced form. Let's put everything we will learn into practice. We will craft an advanced form incorporating checkbox, group, radio, buttons, and drop down with op groups and file input, autocomplete, form validation, all these things. This we have a form with action, submit, and method post. So field set in the legend we are going to give interest, radio buttons. Just take this. So this is our form skill. We are choosing CSS. Choose any file. We are choosing this. And in the browser we are choosing this. Enter zip code 5 and submit. Boom. I hope you understand. Now it's your turn. Open your text editor, create your advanced form, and experiment with this technique. The more you practice, the more confident you become in handling complex form. Fantastic job coding masters. You have just explored advanced form techniques in HTML. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kredict, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more web development wisdom. Until next time, happy coding, and I will see you in our next video.